Poultry farming is a rearing of domesticated birds such as chicken egg. Organic egg production that the laying hens must have access to the outdoor and cannot be raised in cages. And I want to innovate an organic egg production that can operate fast and safe for cooling, dry and wet cleaning, handling, grading, and then packaging. In this province, it is perfect for such a big attractiveness and a quality that has a good facilities, machines, and also the product that healthy organic with the same price of an ordinary egg we used to eat and buy.